Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So I've got a heated hoodie by Vokora. I'm going to unbox it, set it up, and then we're going to cover some of the features that this hoodie has to offer. When they ship it out, pretty plain box it comes in. Get your little battery warning is all. Comes in a very handy little travel bag. It says heated apparel. We bring the camera in closer and I'll unzip this. Very nice. Owner's manual, user's manual. There's the actual heated hoodie right here, nicely packaged. Comes with a couple of different buttons, it looks like. One for a hood, one for the vest, the heating elements. Here's your battery pack right here. Your charger. There it is. All unboxed. Alright, so this heated hoodie comes with the battery pack all ready to go. It also includes 6 heating zones built right into it. Okay, so there's a look at the heated hoodie unboxed, laying on the counter. Little bag that it comes in. There's your charger for it. Little owner's manual. Instructions are very clear and direct. It just says please connect the hoodie's charging port to the power bank, and then you have to long press for 3 seconds in order to turn the unit on. It's got a low level, a medium level, and a high level. So the charger port, if you look right here on this left side, there's a little hidden zipper. Right here, you unzip this. And here is your charger port. So you don't actually need this cable, that's just for charging the battery. So you take your charger port, plug it into your battery. The lights came on for a second. Stick your battery pack in there. Zip it back up. And off you go. There you go. And now you should be able to turn on your vest portion, or you should be able to turn on your hood portion. So we're going to turn on the vest. Oh, there's the vest. That works. Turn on the hood. Long press. Now the hood portion is on. Get tired of those, you can just long press the hood. Long press the vest. Yep, there's your 3 settings. So you got the hot, the medium, and the cool, and the off. Excellent. So this heated hoodie normally runs about $100 on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Be sure and check it out after the video. Alright, let's put this on, see how it feels. Oh my gosh, this thing is warm without the heat turned on. Oh, this thing is awesome. Liking this. It's very nice, very cozy. Yeah, you get that heat turned on, this thing will be very warm. Definitely feels really good. Length is right. Very toasty. Good fit. Very soft. Alright, so this is a large for men or women, and this fits me perfectly. This would work really well underneath a big jacket or a coat. So just so you have an idea, I'm about 5'10", 185 pounds, and sleeve length is just right, body length is just right, and this does have the pockets built into it and everything. And it's super comfortable, really cozy. So this offers up to 7 hours of heating time. This does have the 6 heating zones built into it. It's also got fleece lining. Don't forget, these hoodies also make a great gift, and the holidays are coming up. I hope this video is really helpful for you. Be sure and like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.